Most people make the same mistake when choosing apps. They install software first and think later. Need to convert a file? Install an app. Need to compress a PDF? Install another app. Edit an image once? Yep, another app. At first, it feels harmless. But over time, devices slowly fill up with apps that are rarely used, yet constantly take up storage, memory, and system resources. Years ago, this mindset made sense. Apps were the only reliable option. But today, things have changed. Many everyday tasks no longer require installed software at all. File conversion, PDF editing, image compression, background removal, even simple video trimming. Most of these can now be done directly in a browser. No installation, no setup, no updates. The real problem isn't apps themselves. It's using heavy tools for light tasks. Every installed app adds storage usage. Some run background services. Others slow down startup time, especially on older or low-end devices. And the worst part? You may only use them once, then forget they even exist. Online tools work differently. You open them when needed, do the task, close the tab, and that's it. No clutter, no long-term impact on your system, no unnecessary background processes. This doesn't mean apps are bad. If you're a professional, or you use a tool daily, installing an app still makes perfect sense. But for occasional tasks, installing software is often unnecessary. A smarter habit is asking one simple question: do I really need this app, or do I just need a quick result? Making lighter choices can make your device feel faster without upgrading hardware. Smarter tools start with smarter decisions. And if you want more simple tech choices that actually improve performance, check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.